Hello everyone, Penny here from That's Just Penny and the Junk Journal Ministry. Today I'm coming with you with a kit from Women of the Bible Study series. This is Shiphrah and Puah, and they are part of the Survivors study that we are doing. And I want to announce that the Women of the Bible Study Club has a free classroom. So if you're interested in taking the classes that goes with the study, the printables, the resources, everything, video tutorials, written instructions to create junk journals, prayer pockets, traveler's notebook inserts, Bible journaling, Bible margin art, and digital Bible journaling and digital Bibles. So if you are interested in taking free, 100% free classes, all the links will be down in the description box. But let's preview this kit. I'm super excited. This is, now I did leave the prayer pocket, the bookmark, and the tag plain this time. I didn't put any scriptures because this kit could absolutely go with a lot of things. So this is the ephemera, the Bible margin art, and then this is the traveler's notebook. Pages and cover, and then there's also a background sheet, and I'll show you here. This is the written instructions. Yay! It's all written out for you, and of course there'll be video tutorials and a playlist for you to follow as well. Here I've added vintage pieces as well. This is Pharaoh and some midwives. Here's the Bible margin art. You can use this for collage papers, like for background and things like that. And then there's the traveler's notebook cover and pages. See that? This is just a preview, so I'm trying the best I can. This is the prayer pocket or any kind of filled stuffed pocket. Like I said, I left it blank this time, so you could add your own stamps or whatever, scriptures for journaling. And then there's the elements that you can use in your Bibles and your journals, junk journals. And then if you wanted to do the class with us, the class has all of the resources that you can study. It'll have the study notes. It'll have blank study notes for you to use if you like to use line papers or a binder to study in. However, and this is the resources from a lot of different places on the internet. So come and check out all the links down below. And if you love this kit, you don't have to use it for Bible journaling. You can use it for whatever paper craft. But this is a traveler's notebook size cover. And there's some pages. And of course you can add your own junk pages. There's one background page where you can print on the back. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to show you that. I printed out all of my pieces on regular copy paper. And then I printed the background paper on the back. Okay. For the traveler's notebook cover, like I said, the instructions are in there. So this is just the preview of this kit. So I hope you go check it out, and if tag me on social media if you create a project, a paper craft, or Bible journaling, Bible margin art, junk journals, whatever. Just tag me and let me see, because I really want to see people use these kits. Okay, everyone, have a wonderful and blessed day.